Hey YouTube, welcome to another episode of Real Men Get It Done. We are in the house. The coronavirus has everybody on lockdown, so we are going to tackle hair tonight. My baby girl, my oldest, she has dreads. She's already washed them for tonight. We're going to work a little bit on tightening them up with interlocking and possibly also cutting a few out. Not out, but we're actually going to cut a few because she's been learning how to do her own hair and actually kind of interlock a couple of hers together. So we're gonna touch that up, see if we can get those undone. Otherwise, we'll have to let them grow out and then eventually cut them out once they're long enough. So stay tuned, Real Men Get It Done. This should be a fun. Okay, so these are some of the tools that we're gonna be possibly using tonight. We have our crochet needle, which we use for interlocking. Some African shea butter and olive oil. And scissors potentially, but I gotta be careful because my wife's gonna kill me. So let me just show you Nayla's hair. Getting a lot of new growth. Her hair grows really quickly, just like my wife's. So what I was talking about, where we're gonna try to, get focus on here. For some of these, if she was trying to do hers, you can see it is like almost tied together an accident. So some of those, if they're nice and loose, we may be able to untangle them, or actually may have to gently cut them out so they would come back to being just two strands again. And my wife has taught me to work closer to the roots. I'm sorry, let me focus my camera here. My wife has taught me to work closer to the new growth, because I was starting kind of down here at the base. But she told me to kind of start here where it first starts getting fuzzy and then work my way to the root. So I'm going to be working on that, get myself better. And as I said, there's a lot of new growth. Once we're all done, it should be, nice, and we should see all of her scalp, because it'll be nice and parted from when my wife has done it. So that's what we're going to tackle for tonight. And as y'all can see, we chilling tonight. We got our jumpers on, Christmas jumpers. We relaxing, and it's time to do some hair. Real Men Get It Done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We are done. You can see hair is nice. Your scalp is nicely oiled with the olive oil and palm rolled a little bit with the shea butter. But shut down, baby. This is what I was talking about in terms of now being able to actually see her scalp. Once you tighten it, it gets all the loose hair and tightens it up, and the scalp is now visible. So what I was working on was actually interlocking from, say, like about here versus going to the base to start. So my wife was telling me to start kind of out here when there's new growth, and then work your way in to get a better tightening interlock. So that's what I was working on for today, for tonight, I should say. $3-4 billion. I could give a shit about my neck.